shoes on? Am I putting shoes on? He gets so excited every time I put shoes on. You know what's happening. You know what is happening, don't you? Morning from Cummins State Park in Tennessee. As you can see, I'm on a little walk with Mojo and having a great day so far. I've been kind of working all morning. It is a work day. We are staying at Old Mill Campground, which is literally right across the street from the entrance to the park. We'll be here for about a week. We got here like 2 days ago, so I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along for a little day in the life and show you what it's like to live and work remotely from a state park here in Tennessee. Now I do have a call in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna rush back to camp, get on that, and get on with the day. So let's go. Come on, Mojo! Hello, how is everyone? I'm great. Currently sitting outside at my campsite in Tennessee. Hello, Dylan. What you doing?
Apple has a live stream today. I'm watching it just in time because my 2 calls just ended, so I've got an hour until my next call, so this is what I'm doing for the next hour.
Yeah, I'm surprised you're not playing video games in your free time.
Well, I'm about to do that at the same time.
Oh wow, Dylan's in his happy place. So if I'm being perfectly honest about the last like month or so of being in the trailer, I don't even know how exactly long it's been. I've talked about this before in past videos, not a ton. Mostly I talk about this on Instagram, but I have struggled with anxiety and depression like pretty much since I was an early teenager, like middle school. And you know, obviously on camera it doesn't always come off. Like I'm not gonna film on the days where I feel like shit, but I did just kind of want to be honest with you guys and just share that, you know, I have been kind of struggling lately, and this is something, if you have anxiety, you may kind of relate to what I'm gonna say, but I've always kind of dealt with my anxiety by keeping myself overly busy, and that's definitely not healthy. I'm a lot better than I used to be, but I don't know, I just find it to be really hard to slow down and not, you know, pack my days full of one adventure after the next and squeezing in work and meeting new people and, you know, keeping myself stimulated at all times. You know, when I don't do that and, you know, maybe I'm in a new situation and I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to be, I don't know, I find it very difficult sometimes, especially when I'm in like a new sort of environment, a new time of my life. When I switch from, you know, one period of my life to the next, a lot of the times I'll get really bad anxiety. Of course, then I get really bad anxiety if I am in one place for too long and I feel stagnant and I just feel like nothing's changing. Then I also get really in my head and really depressed a lot of the time. So I don't know, like my anxiety and depression just kind of go hand in hand. But yeah, over the last few weeks, you know, some days I will be on top of the world, so happy, and then the next day I'll wake up and like not be able to move and just be crying all day for actually no reason. And so I just wanted to be really honest and tell you guys that that has been happening the last few weeks a lot more than normal. I don't think it's because of this lifestyle. I honestly just think it's because it's a big shift, and I'm also kind of slowing down a lot more than I have been over the last year of backpacking and traveling internationally. But I am going back to therapy. I have my first appointment with my therapist that I've been going to for a while now. Obviously it's online. That is tomorrow night, so I'm really excited about that, honestly. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys in on what's been going on because, you know, I'm very animated on camera and I'm very animated in real life, but there are so many in-between moments that I don't film, obviously, so I just didn't want to give off the impression that everything's perfect and amazing, because we all struggle. No matter, you know, how glamorous your life may seem on social media, it's not always like that. It never is actually like that in real life. Yeah, I've been very unmotivated to work, which is not like me, so I've been kind of dealing with that. Currently in bed, as you can see, and I'm trying to get this video done and upload it for tomorrow. So that is my goal for the day, and I will be really proud of myself when that's done. So maybe I'll work out today. I was planning on it, but I'm just kind of like, ugh. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. But I'm good, I'm okay. I'm just working on it, and God bless Dylan for dealing with me. Hello, it's the next day. The day in the life was a little bit of an epic fail. Bear with me, everyone. The brain's not doing great, but the brain's doing great today. It is 3:43 and we're gonna go on a hike.
Hi, buddy.
We're just like, I've been laying around all day, I'm bored.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said. Okay.
Vamonos.
Vamonosing.
I'm ready with my new shoes.
Yes. Wait, we need a fashion show. You gotta give the people the journey of your hiking boots.
This is what I had before. They're Merrell's. They suck. So, I now have these ones.
Solomon is my favorite thing ever.
I think these are waterproof too.
So these are the hiking, like more like chill hiking shoes.
And these are the cool ones for out west.
They're actually, I'm pretty obsessed with them. Wait, Solomon's as well. I have Solomon shoes, but I'm not gonna be wearing them today.
Nope.
Chill hike.
Because you're not cool.
Also, I just got new laces too, and they're not on the shoes yet. Okay, so one thing about Tennessee in this area, spiders are everywhere. Look how giant this one is. It's mainly his legs, but he's a big boy. I don't know where he came from. Look at that.
Bye.
Oh, it's crawling. Bye bye. Oh, okay.
You ready? Come on. Let's go.
Forgot his leash. All right, Mojo, back in. It's fine. It's literally a 2-minute drive. Okay, can you come back in? I'm so sorry. Look, he's like, no. Wait, do you just want to go get it and I'll play with him? We keep doing this. This is the second time that we forgot his leash. All right, love you. All right, we're gonna go play over here for a sec. Prince. So yeah, like I kind of jokingly mentioned earlier, my brain was not doing well yesterday. That's kind of what's been happening. Like I set out to film like a day in the life. It's usually not that hard for me. And then like one little thing happens and then my whole day just ends and I spiral and it's just really hard. So I don't know. This has obviously been something I've been dealing with for years. So it's all good. I have therapy in like 2 hours. So we're doing lots of things that I love. We're gonna go on a little hike with Mojo and Dylan, head back, go into the general store if it's open. It closes at 6, so hopefully we get back by like 5:30. Pop in there, I'll show you guys around. But yeah, I'm glad I'm gonna start going back to therapy and just kind of start figuring out the reasons why I feel this way and, you know, take the steps towards feeling better. I'm super optimistic. This happens sometimes, you know, life changes and sometimes it's hard to adapt. So that's what I'm dealing with and did not intend for this video to be about mental health. But at the end of the day, if you don't address your mental health, then you really just are lacking in pretty much every other area in your life. But I'm super excited to go on this little stroll. It's nothing fancy. We did the big Cummins Falls hike the other day, which me and Dylan will talk about in just a bit because there were a few things that happened there. There's Dylan. He's back. Who's that? Oh. Okay, so we're currently on John Cummins Trail, but the other day we walked down to the actual gorge. Just to give a little review of the waterfall. As a disclaimer, we did go on Labor Day. So obviously,
was it Labor Day?
Yeah, it was. It was the 5th. It was that Monday. So obviously it's gonna be really crowded. It was beautiful. I'll just preface that. Beautiful falls.
If you take the people out.
If you take the people out and their complete disregard for the environment. It was very aggravating, the amount of trash that was on the trail. We were on trash duty, apparently.
It's disgusting.
He literally found that bin just out here with all the trash. There's so much trash, it's insane.
We've only been walking for like 5 minutes too.
Yeah, that was the only issue we had with it. I mean, otherwise it was nice, but Dylan did have a fall at one point.
I didn't have a fall. Mojo took me out and I scraped one A and have bruises.
It was pretty epic.
We were jumping between different rocks and Mojo decided to change his mind at the last minute and go to the spot that I was jumping to. It took me out entirely and I epically fell in between a bunch of rocks. It was like a banana slip like fall.
It was so fun. I mean, it wasn't funny at the time. I was actually nervous, but hey, okay. Going to check out the general store. Haven't been there yet. I'm craving
ice cream.
I don't know what I'm craving.
They float, ice cream floats.
They do?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go check it all out. I definitely want like a cold beverage, so we'll see what goodies I'll get. We have an ornament collection that we're working on. Or should we get this one? Wait, this one's cute. And they have candles. Oh, wait. We could have gotten water shoes.
I told you they had water shoes here.
Pro tip, guys, if you come to do any of the waterfall hikes here, water shoes are a must. A must. Got so many goods. Someone got a root beer float.
Stop.
I don't even know what to say. I need to show you. I just actually just touched this. Oh my god! Guys, I'm so far from it and that is so large. Dylan,
Beetle.
It's not a beetle. That is the biggest thing ever.
You want to put your Eno here?
Yes! It's the perfect spot for the Eno.
The thing's got some claws, man.
It does?
Yes.
Just grab a shoe and knock it off. Shut up. Oh. Is it dead?
It's... yeah.
Wait, is that a shell?
Yeah.
Now that's freaky. Are you serious?
Crunch.
Oh my god, it was the shell!
So it's even bigger than that.
That's insane! Thanks for handling. Hello, Mr. Spider. I'm picking a great spot, aren't I? What's happening over here, my dude?
The famous Brussels, except I'm putting bacon in it.
No.
I'm kidding. I'm gonna do bacon on the side.
Bacon on the side. My vegetarian ways is cramping his style. I'm so excited for these. I have a very exciting update that you guys will be very proud of me. I hope. It's my time to shine. We have figured out, and by we I mean Dylan, and then he's taught me the ways, and you guys actually had some very helpful advice in the comments. So, to turn on the oven, which has been very difficult in the past. Ugh. So far not so good. What the heck am I doing wrong? This is what you do, okay? Push it in, turn it, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moment of truth. No! I did it by myself the other day. Hold on. 1, 2. No, it went out. Okay, I can do this.
Too fast, man.
Okay, hold on. Yes. Yes. I'm an independent woman.
Who needs a man sometimes?
Only occasionally. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna make potatoes. I did this the other day. Got these rose potatoes and I made them into fries and they're actually fire. So I'm gonna do that again. Smells so good. I cannot explain how good this smells. I really wish you could smell it.
You gotta show the bacon.
I'll show the bacon. I'll show you making another time, but it's dark outside.
Alright, super easy. Salt, pepper, garlic, chopped up Brussels sprouts. Do like 5 minutes of olive oil cooking. And then just eyeball squirt honey. I don't measure it at all.
Lots of honey.
Lots of honey.
It caramelizes it.
Hot. Like super hot and then simmer, super hot and simmer, and you have to like continuously stir for about like 20 minutes-ish.
Yeah, probably.
Maybe.
And this is in the cast iron, so that makes it even better.
It makes it easier in the cast iron.
Well, that wraps it up for the Tennessee series of Rookies on the Road Season 2. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting us so far on this journey. It's been really, really incredible, and thank you so much for all of your positivity and support as I kind of go through this transition to RV life. But yeah, next time you see me, I will be in another state, slightly more north, so you can think about which one that might be. I'm super excited. But yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. It really, really helps me out, and hit subscribe if you want to join the Rookies on the Road fam going forward, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!